Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. In this video, we're going to take a walkthrough tour of my newest listing right here at 180 Mayfield Crossing Lane in Duncan, South Carolina. This home is located on a cul-de-sac lot, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, over 3,200 square feet. It's open floor plan with a gorgeous kitchen with the center island, granite countertops, lots of cabinet and counter space. There's a walk-in pantry as well. Lots of windows, so there's plenty of natural light on the main level. White plank floors on the main level. The owner suite is also on the main level with tray ceilings, walk-in closet. In the ensuite bathroom, there's separate shower, garden tub, double sinks. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. So on this side of the home, you have the owner suite, which has tray ceilings, walk-in closet. The ensuite bathroom has separate shower, garden tub, and double sinks. Let's check it out. Upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms, a full bath, and a huge loft area. Let's check it out. Beautiful, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed our tour. Now, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.